Gamma tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and welcome to this video on how to use Gamma. Gamma is an innovative tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to produce impressive presentations, documents, and web pages. What makes Gamma stand out is its capability to generate presentations that defy the traditional slide formats of Google Slides and PowerPoint, providing a refreshing and captivating alternative for your audience. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basics of using Gamma to create your first presentation. We will show you how to create an account, provide an overview of the dashboard, and demonstrate how to create a new document in Gamma. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Gamma, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, select the Sign Up for Free option. You have the flexibility to sign up using either your Google account or your email address. Choose the option that best suits your preference and proceed. After signing up, you'll be prompted to personalize your account, so follow the on-screen prompts and personalize your account. Once you've finished personalizing your account, you will be automatically redirected to your account dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially the control center of your Gamma account. It's where you can start new projects, access saved presentations, and adjust account settings to tailor the Gamma experience to your needs. Once you are on the dashboard, you will see a left menu. This menu contains various tabs. The first tab on your dashboard is All Gammas. Here, you can view the documents you've already created, categorized by Recently Viewed, Created by You, and Favorite. To create a new document, simply click the plus Create New button. If you want to start from scratch, opt for the plus New from Blank option. Moreover, Gamma allows you to import your own documents by clicking on the Import button. Next, we have the Templates tab. This section is your template library. Here, you'll find various categories of ready-to-use templates to kickstart your presentation creation process. The Inspiration tab is designed to spark your creativity. It houses a collection of remarkable presentations crafted by the Gamma community that you can use as a reference for your own work. Gamma also allows you to stylize your presentations in a variety of ways, and the Themes tab is where you can explore this feature. Here you'll find a selection of built-in themes that you can apply to your documents. You also have the option to create and save your own custom themes to reflect your brand identity. Lastly, the Custom Fonts tab displays any custom fonts you've uploaded. While Gamma comes preloaded with a wide range of Google fonts, this feature enables you to further personalize your presentations by uploading and using your own fonts within your custom themes. Along with these, there are other options like Trash, Invite to Workspace, 400 Credits, Contact Us, and View Plans to help you manage your workspace, credits, get in touch with support, and view different Gamma plans respectively. Now, let's see how to create a new document in Gamma. Creating a new document in Gamma is a simple and straightforward process thanks to its user-friendly interface. To get started, navigate to the All Gammas tab located in the left menu. Once there, you will find the Create New AI option, which, upon clicking, will open a convenient pop-up window presenting you with two choices: Generate and Text Transform. If you opt for Generate, Gamma's powerful AI will assist you by generating a first draft document based on a topic you provide. On the other hand, if you choose Text Transform, you can paste your existing notes or import documents and slides to be edited using advanced controls. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's proceed with the Generate option. Upon selecting it, you will be directed to a page where you can specify the type of document you wish to create. You have several options to choose from, including Presentation, Document, and Web Page. In this example, let's go with Document. Now it's time to provide a topic for your document. Let's say we want to focus on the theme of online business. After entering the topic, Gamma will generate an outline for your document. Feel free to make any necessary edits to the outline according to your preferences. If you'd like to explore different outline options, simply click on Try Again. Once you are satisfied with the outline, click on Continue to proceed. The next step involves choosing a theme from the available options. After making your selection, click on Continue again. Gamma's AI will then utilize the outline you provided to generate the content of your document. Once the document is generated, you can easily share it with others by clicking on the Copy Share Link button. Simply copy the link and distribute it to allow others to view the document you have created. With Gamma's intuitive interface and powerful AI capabilities, creating engaging and professional-looking documents is easy. Next, let's see how to invite people to your Gamma workspace. Inviting your team members to join your Gamma workspace is a straightforward process. To begin, navigate to the top left corner of your dashboard and click on the Workspace option. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Members. A pop-up window will appear, providing you with two ways to invite your team members. The first method to invite your team members to your Gamma workspace is through their email addresses. This can be done by entering their respective email addresses in the Invite by Email Address field. After typing in the email addresses, all you need to do is click on the Send Invitations button. On the other hand, if you prefer a more direct approach, Gamma also offers the ability to invite team members by sharing a link. You can generate this link by simply clicking on the Copy Link button. Once the link is copied, you can conveniently share it with your team members. This second method provides a quick and efficient way to bring your team on board the Gamma workspace. By using either method, your team members can join your workspace and collaborate on your Gamma projects. When it comes to plans and pricing, Gamma provides 3 diverse pricing plans to cater to different user needs: Free, Plus, and Pro. The free plan costs $0 per user per month and includes 400 AI credits at sign-up, unlimited users and Gammas, PDF and PPT exports with Gamma branding, a 7-day change history, and basic analytics. The Plus plan, priced at $10 per user per month, enhances the free plan with 400 credits per month, the ability to remove the Made with Gamma badge from exports, and extends the change history to 30 days. It also allows for the creation of unlimited folders. Lastly, the Pro plan, at $20 per user per month, offers unlimited AI creation, access to advanced AI models, and priority support. It also allows for the removal of Made with Gamma badge from exports, usage of custom fonts, unlimited change history, and detailed analytics. Each plan is designed to provide a flexible and tailored solution, allowing users to select the one that best fits their needs and budget. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Gamma. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and take